Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, let me introduce myself and my team. My name is Faizah Vivic and my team is Bayu Arintoko, Ageng Pribadi, Hamzah Hadi, and Angga Maulana to be unable to attend. We would like to be a present about computing. First of all, we would like to explain a discussion about introduction to cloud computing. The first one, introduction. 2. Introduction to grid computing. 3. Virtualization. 4. Distributed computation in cloud computing. 5. Map, reduce, and no SQL or no only SQL. And last one is no SQL database.
First, introduction. Cloud computing comes with easy access to data from anywhere and anytime, because by utilizing the internet, using the internet cloud as a place of data storage, application, and others. This technology will provide many advantages both from the provider side or from the user. Cloud-based computer system technology is a technology that makes the internet as a central server to manage data and user application. 2 is introduction to cloud computing. Grid computing is a development application of computer network. Grid computing is usually applied to run a function that is too complex or too intensive to be done by a single system. By definition, grid computing is one of the parallel computing data types. Virtualization, a technique for hiding away from computer resource. How to use this resource? In general, all virtualization technologies refer to high technical details through encapsulation. Virtualization function. First one, reduction of hardware investment cost. 2. Easy backup and recovery. 3. Is easy of deployment. 4. Reduce heat. 5. Reduce space cost. 6. Ease of maintenance and management. 7. Hardware standardization. And the last one is of replacement. Advantage of using virtualization. 1. Server optimization. 2. Snapshot. 3. Easy migration. 4. Instant failover. 5. Flexible. 6. Save electricity and hardware. 7. Extend the lifespan of long-standing application. 8. Easy backup and recovery. And last, saver. Disadvantage of using virtualization. 1. Potential network security risks are not properly managed. 2. The complexity of complex application. 3. Downtime network will be bad and impact to all user or user. And last, dependency of public network connectivity.
Distributed computation in cloud computing. This activity is a collection of several computers that are connected to perform distribution, such as sending and receiving data and other interaction between computers that require a network to allow one computer to connect, interact, and provide service where the information is stored on the server permanently and stored on the client computer temporarily. MapReduce. Google released the programming model that is intended to process the data giant in distributed and parallel cluster consisting of thousands of computers. This technology is divided into the process, namely the process of map and reduce process. Process map, duty to read the input in the form of byte case or value. Reduce process will read a couple K or value intermediate result map function and combining or grouping them based on the K.
No SQL, not only SQL, a concept that when a piece of software is designed, there is more than one data storage mechanism which can be used depending on the needs of the software. No SQL database, the last generation database that lets to non-relational database can be propagated to anyone, open source, and horizontal scale. NoSQL database grouping. 1. Document database. 2. Graph. 3. Key value. 4. Object database. 7 popular NoSQL popular. 1. MongoDB. 2. CouchDB. 3. Cassandra. 4. Redis. 5. React. 6. Neo4j. 7. OrangeDB.
Conclusion in our presentation is Cloud allows users to log into the internet that is connected to the program to run the required application without installing infrastructure such as data storage, media, as well as instruction or commands from users are stored virtually over the internet network. Then those commands are processed to the application server. For example, through the use of email such as Yahoo or Gmail. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment our video.
See you.